Did you know that just 10 minutes of the right workout can boost your energy, burn fat, and improve your mood for the whole day? Yes, you don't always need the gym, fancy equipment, or even a lot of time. Sometimes just 10 minutes at home can do wonders. Hello guys, welcome back to our fitness and health channel. If you're new here, I'm your fitness buddy who helps you stay strong, healthy, and motivated right from the comfort of your home. Today, I'm sharing a simple but super effective 10-minute full body home workout. Absolutely no equipment needed. Whether you're a beginner, a busy mom, a student, or working from home, this is perfect for you. Now, let's be honest. Most of us struggle with time. Some say, I don't have 1 hour for the gym. Others say, I don't have dumbbells or machines at home. But here's the truth. You don't need hours or expensive equipment. What your body really needs is consistency, movement, and effort. Research shows that even short workouts done regularly can improve heart health, build muscle tone, and help you burn calories. So today's workout is designed for maximum impact in minimum time. And guess what? You'll only need your body weight and 10 minutes. All right, let's get into action. We'll do a full body circuit. That means we'll target every major muscle group: legs, arms, core, chest, and back in just 10 minutes. We'll go 40 seconds work plus 20 seconds rest for each move. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll give you easier modifications too. Warm up 1 minute. March in place, lift your knees, swing your arms, shoulder rolls and arm circles, get the joints ready. Light side stretch, open up the body. Okay, body is warm, let's crush this. Exercise 1, jumping jacks, 40 seconds. Boosts heart rate, wakes up the body. Modification, step side to side instead of jumping. Feel that energy? This wakes up your metabolism like coffee, but healthier. Exercise 2, squats, 40 seconds. Works legs, glutes, and core. Keep back straight, knees not past toes. Modification, half squats or sit to stand from a chair. Strong legs equals strong life. Every step, every climb becomes easier. Exercise 3, push-ups, 40 seconds. Builds chest, shoulders, arms. Modification, knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do many, even 2 or 3 count. Progress is progress. Exercise 4, mountain climbers, 40 seconds. Cardio plus core plus arms. Modification, slow knee drives instead of fast. Pretend you're climbing a mountain and the peak is your healthier self. Exercise 5, glute bridges, 40 seconds. Lie on back, lift hips, squeeze glutes. Strengthens back, glutes, and hamstrings. This one also helps reduce back pain and improves posture. Exercise 6, plank, 40 seconds, hold. Engages core, shoulders, arms. Modification, knees on the ground, plank. Imagine your body is a strong, straight line, because inside, you're becoming stronger each second. Exercise 7, lunges, 40 seconds, alternating legs. Builds balance, legs, and coordination. Modification, static lunges without stepping forward. Balance, strength, and stability. Lunges train them all. Great for everyday movement. Exercise 8, tricep dips, on a chair or sofa, 40 seconds. Works back of arms. Modification, small range dips. Say goodbye to flabby arms. Strong arms equals confidence. Exercise 9, high knees, 40 seconds. Cardio burst, burns calories fast. Modification, march with knees high. Yes, push yourself. Energy in equals energy out. You're almost there. Cool down, stretching, 1 minute. Forward fold for hamstrings, shoulder stretch, deep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. You did it! In just 10 minutes, you gave your whole body a workout. Now you might ask, okay, but how does this short workout help? Let me break it down in simple words. Boosts metabolism. Even after 10 minutes, your body keeps burning calories. Improves heart health. Jumping jacks and high knees get your heart pumping. Builds strength. Push-ups, squats, and planks train muscles you use every day. Better mood. Exercise releases endorphins, your body's natural happy hormones. Saves time. 10 minutes is less than your coffee break. No excuses anymore. Listen, friends, fitness is not about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday. Maybe today you could only do 5 push-ups. Tomorrow, you'll do 6. Step by step, your body gets stronger, your mind gets sharper, and your confidence grows. Remember, it's not about having the perfect body. It's about having a body that supports your life, your dreams, and your loved ones. So don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time is now. Just 10 minutes a day, and you'll see real change. Do this workout 3 to 4 times a week for results. Stay hydrated. Drink water before and after. Pair this with a simple, balanced diet. More vegetables, lean protein, less junk food. If you're a beginner, don't rush. Slow and steady wins. Track progress. Write down reps, time, or how you feel after each workout. See? No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Just 10 minutes and you've taken one step toward a healthier, stronger you. So my friends, if you enjoyed this workout, please like this video, share it with someone who needs a push, and subscribe to our channel for more easy, effective fitness routines. Together, we're building not just strong bodies, but strong minds and strong lives. Until next time, stay healthy, stay motivated, and remember, your best project is you.